my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So today let we start GK Unit 2, Chapter number 12, Seven Wonders of the Ancient World. So dear students, these are the seven wonders. Now let we read. The seven wonders of the ancient world were first designated by Antipater of Sidon in the 2nd century CE. So read the clues and give each the correct name. You can take help from the clue box. Okay. Number 1. These are a group of 3 pyramids. Khufu, Khafra and Menkaure, located in Giza, 96 km from Cairo. They are often called the first wonder of the world. Of all the ancient seven wonders, the pyramids alone survive. So these are the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza. Okay. Next one, number 2. This was built by the widowed queen Artemisia about 350 BCE. So the memorial originated that term mausoleum. So it is the mausoleum at Heracles. The mausoleum at Helicarnassus. Number 3. Adjoining Nebuchadnezzar places 96 kilometers south of Baghdad. The Hanging Garden were built in the 6th century BC. So these terraced gardens rose between 23 to 91 meters above ground level. Water from storage tank on the highest terrace. So this is the Hanging Garden in Babylon. The Hanging Garden in Babylon. Okay. Now next one, number 4. An iconic temple erected about 350 BCE in honor of a non-Hellenic goddess who later identified with a Greek goddess of the same name. The temple was destroyed by invading Goths in 262 CE. So it is the temple of Artemis at Ephesus. The temple of which is Artemis. Okay. Artemis is at Ephesus. At Ephesus. Next, number 5. A bronze statue of Apollo set up about 280 BCE. According to legend, it stood at the harbor entrance of seaport of Rhodes. It was destroyed during an earthquake in 224 BCE and in 224 BCE. So the statue is the Colossus of Rhodes. The Colossus of Rhodes. Number 6. Located at Olympia in the plain of Elis This was a statue constructed of marble, inlaid with ivory and gold by the sculptor. Okay, Phidias. Around 430 BC, all trace of it is lost except for reproductions on ancient coins. So number 6. So this is the statue of Zeus at Olympia. The statue of Zeus at Olympia. Okay, Olympia. Number 7. A marble watchtower and lighthouse on the island of Pharos. In the harbor of Alexandria, it was destroyed by an earthquake in the 13th century. So the lighthouse of Alexandria. The lighthouse of Alexandria. Okay, so these are the ancient 7 wonders. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. 7 wonders of the modern. Read the clues and give each the correct name. You can take help from the clue box. Okay. Number 1. It is a large pre-Columbian archaeological site built by the Maya civilization, located in the northern center of the Yucatan Peninsula in the state of Yucatan, present-day Mexico. So it is Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza. It is Chichen Itza. It is a statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The statue is 39.6 meter tall and 30 meters wide. It is made of reinforced concrete and soapstone. Okay, so this is Christ the Redeemer. Na? Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer. Number 3. Originally, the Flavian amphitheater was an elliptical amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy, built in the Roman Empire. It was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. So this is the Colosseum. Number 3. This is Colosseum. The Fools. It is located 2,430 meters above sea level on a mountain ridge above the Urubamba Valley in Peru. It was built as an stage for the Inca Emperor. Okay, Pachacuti in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. This is Machu Picchu. Okay, so this is Machu Picchu. Number 5. This massive wall stretch over 21,000 kilometers and winds through mountains, deserts, and plains built over centuries by various Chinese dynasties. It is the longest continuous wall in the world, the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China. Okay. Number 6. It is a city in the Jordanian Governorate of Man, known for its rock cut architecture and water conduit system. It was established sometime around the 6th century BCE. So this is Petra. Okay, so this is Petra. Number 7. It is located in Agra, India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in this memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So this is Taj Mahal. Okay. So this is Taj Mahal. So these are the 7 wonders. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 14. So the chapter number 14 is superlatives of world. So look at the pictures of the world superlatives. Write their names using the clue box. Okay. So let me start. Number 1, the highest mountain peak. Mount Everest, Nepal. Number 2, the highest waterfall. It is Angel Falls, Venezuela. Number 2. Number 3, the largest desert. Sahara. Sahara Desert in Africa. Number 4, the longest river, Nile River in Egypt. Number 5, the tallest building, it is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 15. So the chapter number 15 is sobriquets. A sobriquet is a public and formal name that illustrates the distinctiveness of a person, place, or thing. So take the help of the clue box to write the real names of the following. Number 1, the hub of the universe, Boston. Number 2, city of skyscrapers, New York. Number 3, the diamond city. The diamond city is Kimberley. Number 4, the, the eternal city is Rome. Number 5, city of palaces. City of palaces is Kolkata. Number 6, sugar bowl of the world, Brazil. Number 7, the land of 1,000 lakes, Finland. Number 8, the magic city, Miami. Number 9, so gift of the Nile, Egypt. This one, Egypt. And last one, land of the rising sun, Japan. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 16. Chapter number 16 is continents and oceans. Okay. The earth is divided into 7 large land masses called continents and 5 water bodies called oceans. The 7 continents are Africa, Asia, Antarctica, North America, South America, Europe and Australia. The 5 oceans are Atlantic Oceans, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. Okay, so name the continents and the oceans according to their location. Okay, so shown in the map. So continents. Number 1 is Africa. Number 1 is Africa. Number 2 is Antarctica. One, 2. And number 3 is Asia. Now number 4. Where's number 4? This one. So this one is Australia. Okay. Next, number 5. This one. Number 5 is Europe. Next, number 6. This one, North America. Next, number 7. So the number 7 is South America. Now, next one is oceans. यानी कि महासागर. 7 is 8. It is Pacific Ocean. This one. Pacific Ocean. Next, number 9. This one. Arctic. This is Arctic Ocean. Next, number 10. Atlantic Ocean. This one. Atlantic. This is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Now, next, number 11. This one. It is Indian Ocean, Hind Mahasagar. Indian Ocean. And the last one, number 12 is, this is Southern Ocean. Okay, so these are the continents and these are the oceans. Now, question number 2, match the following. Number 1, the dark continent. Okay, The dark continent is Africa. Number 2, the largest continent is Asia. Number 3, the smallest and shallowest ocean. So this is Arctic Ocean. Number 4, the smallest continent. It is Australia. Number 5, the largest and deepest ocean. So this is Pacific Ocean. Number 6, the white continent is Antarctica. White because of ice. Okay? Okay, मोटी मोटी परत है ना वहाँ पे बर्फ की, तो इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं white continent. So my dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapter of this unit. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.